more on books. What's the difference between a good read and well read? Well, a good read refers to a book which is definitely something that you will recommend to someone, and it's a great book to read. For example, Why Men Don't Listen and Women Can't Read Maps. This is a great book, or probably a good read by Alan and Barbara Pease. Okay, I would definitely recommend that to people as a good read. As against that, well read refers to an individual who is probably very, has great reading skills and has read a lot in his life, and that reflects in his communication or probably in his knowledge. One example I can cite here is Shashi Tharoor. Okay, in fact, he's used as probably a label today. Okay, for people who are well read. So if someone speaks well or speaks from a place of knowledge, that person is labeled as Shashi Tharoor today. Okay, clearly because he is exceptionally well read. So there goes the difference. A good read means something that you would recommend to people as a good book to read, and well read means someone who has read extensively in their life and it reflects in their knowledge as well as communication.